Hi, in this video, I'm going to solve a practice question about limit of accuracy, about upper and lower bound. So each number has been rounded to the degree of accuracy shown in the bracket. Okay, so we need to find the upper bound and then the lower bound. So let us make it A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So this is for the upper bound, and then we will have lower bound. Okay, there we go. Look at number 1. So 42, this has been rounded to the nearest whole number. Okay, so the nearest whole number, like 1. So 1, we will make it a half. So this is 0.5. So to find the upper, so we will make it 42 plus by 0.5. However, to find the lower, we will make it 42 minus 0.5. So the upper, we will get 42.5, and then the lower is 41.5. So let us write it here. So this is 42.5, and the lower bound is 41.5. Okay, next. This is the nearest whole number, same thing, 1. We make it a half, is 0.5. Upper, we will plus by 0.5. While the lower will minus by 0.5. So we will get it, the upper is 13,325.5, while the lower is 13,324.5. Next, one significant figure is here. So this is 100. So we will make it a half, is 50. So 400 plus 50 is 450 as the upper, and the lower 400 minus by 50, 350. 2 decimal places. So it's gonna be 0.01. We make it a half. So it's gonna be 0.005. So this number plus by 0.005 is 12.245. While the lower bound, this number, we will minus it by 0.005. So 12.235. Also 2 decimal places, so here the same thing. So 0.01, make it a half, 0.005. Plus for the upper, and then minus for the lower bound. So we will get the upper bound is 11.495, while the lower bound, we will minus it, so 11.485. F to the nearest tenth. So this is 0.1. We make it a half, so it's gonna be 0.05. Upper will be addition, while the lower is gonna be minus with this number. So 2.5 plus this number is gonna be 2.55, while the lower, this number will minus it, so 2.45. The nearest 10, so to 10 divided by 2 is 5. So the upper is gonna be plus 5, while the lower is minus by 5. So this is 390 plus 5. So 395. 390 minus 5, so 385. Last four significant figures. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4. So here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Make it a half, so 0.00005. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Here. Okay. So plus for upper and minus for the lower bound. So it's going to be 1.1325, while the lower bound we minus it, so 1.1315. Okay, let us check it. Number 2. The building is 72 meter tall, measured to the nearest meter. Okay, to the nearest meter. What is the upper and the lower bound? So the nearest meter is 1, make it a half. So it's going to be 0.5. First, let us find the lower bound. 72 minus 0.5 is 71.5, less than or equal. So this is the height, less than, until before 72.5. Next, is 72.4999 meter is possible height for the building? Explain why. This is A and B. This is yes, because it is less than 72.5. Although it would be impossible to measure to that accuracy. But since this is less than 72.5, so this is yes, possible. So let us check it. Number 3. The dimension of a rectangular piece of land are 4.3 meters by 6.4 meters. The measurements are each correct to one decimal place. Calculate the upper and lower bound. So if 4.3, so this is lower, it's gonna be to one decimal place, so 1.1, we make it a half, so 0.05. So lower is gonna be 4.25, while the upper is gonna be 4.35. Here 6.4, so the lower is gonna be 6.35, and upper is gonna be 6.45. So the lower, this will be 4.25 multiplied by 6.35. So it will give us the answer of 28.0575 meter square. And then upper, sorry, I was miscalculate. So this will be 26.9875 meter cube, while the upper is 4.35 times 6.45. So this will give us the answer of 28.0575 meter square. Okay, there it is. I will continue here for the next video. Thank you.